did you do? Like, oh my god.
Yeah, I'm telling you, know you got stay, and you know you gon' shoot by me. Yeah, what of that song, you know I got dumb them real VV. Yeah, hit a bad bitch from the back, and you know she can cream on me. Yeah, let's go jump to the whole damn dash, yeah, fuck police.
We out here in the ghetto Versa that I've crashed like 1,000 times. And supposedly Christian is down this road in a ditch. Oh my god, he's in there deep. We're gonna need to call Jake. You're not getting out the Versa. Like, you're in there fucking deep. Holy shit. How'd you do this? Were you trying to drift?
No, I was on my phone.
You're on your phone? You went off the road? Christian! What are you doing, bro? Oh my god. Christian, have you been to this side of the truck? What? Have you been to this side of the truck?
No.
Holy fuck, you're so goddamn deep.
Dude, my exhaust.
Like, what the fuck did you do?
Can you jump on the back?
Like, oh my god. You're so fucked.
No,
You're not getting out.
Joe's coming right now.
Holy shit. God damn, Christian, you went on here for a while.
I was on my phone and I looked and I was like kind of going into the ditch. So I was like, all right, this looks fun. So then I just sent it. Thought like, you know how
This shit's deep.
Yeah.
You pulled a thing with your grandpa's truck.
Yup.
So, maybe rescue just came. This is Joe. He's got a truck too, but the issue with him is he's only got two-wheel drive in the back. So I don't know how this is gonna go. Dude almost fucking took himself into the ditch. Alright, you good? Alright, you're hooked. Don't pull. I'm gonna unhook you. You wanna get unhooked, Joe?
Yeah.
Alright. I don't think you're getting out.
I'm getting out.
You're not getting out.
Yeah. I got another chance so I'm not so fucking close to the ditch. Okay.
This is fucked. Crank your wheel, Christian. Fucking snowplow, bro. What the fuck? Chain broke!
Were you seriously in neutral?
I didn't, yeah.
It sounded like you were grabbing the thing. I was like, the tires aren't even spinning. I was like, what the
I know.
hell?
It was, I didn't look down. I kind of just shifted it real quick. Cause
I thought the chain was slow coming.
We didn't fucking end
See, I don't have a daily driver, four-wheel drive anymore, so I can't help with this shit, bro.
Yeah.
We'd be over with the Explorer. The Explorer would probably do better than that truck.
Well, yeah, it's good four-wheel drive. And better
And
tires.
better,
like,
and better weight distribution, too.
and tires. Those tires are kind of trash.
They're highway tires. His tailgate came off. Look, his tailgate.
oh, dude.
Record that shit. His tailgate.
Blocking the back of the fucking.
What the fuck?
Did he hook the fucking chain to the tailgate? I don't know.
This fork. Oh my, this is fucked up. I don't think it's supposed to open like a door.
I'm like really low on gas.
That's how the 2019 Ram tail gets opened.
Yeah, last time I checked, that's like a 99.
I think that's like a
Something old GMK.
I think it's his shop trophy.
My fucking sister called me because you posted on your story.
Who?
She's all concerned now.
Oh.
Did he just like bend his frame by doing that or something?
No, he has a concrete block in the back.
Oh.
Jerk.
Damn. It would be funny if I tried to pull him out. I bent the fuck out of my frame. I'm driving
That's
like.
why I was like, why the hell would you even try?
I know.
Fucking pin it if you don't have it. Show me your other ones, man. Look.
Feel like it. Oh, I found the other chain. Are my wheels spinning? No. Oh, I found my chain. Something broke then.
Tranny on shit already.
Something broke then.
It's Chevy.
Did your shifter cable come off?
No.
Because you can't get to it.
No, it's shifting. Phil, that doesn't help. It's shifting into gear. No, it does help actually. Drive right now.
It's a little icy out here.
Can't even feel. No, I'm not. Why is it on the neutral button?
Still in neutral. Oh shit! This dude was in neutral again. What the hell?
Try to go forward.
Now tires are spinning except for that one.
Oh.
That didn't sound good.
Okay, well, maybe it would help if I'm not just dragging you this time. Okay?
That shit is stuck.
Tailgate's loose again. Looks so bad.
Oh no! Oh no! No, he's going back in, bro. What the fuck? That's fucked.
That thing was 4-wheel drive. He'd be able to get to the other side of the road, and Christian would be out right now. Literally, the only reason he's not out is because of the rear-wheel drive. He's got headlights on. They're gonna make it to the fucking stop sign.
He's literally going nowhere.
They need a 4-wheel drive. That's it. Holy fuck!
Dude, we went so fucking far down the
Covered
road.
some ground. Nice on my name. So they're gonna get up to the don't like jump. He's gonna have to hit that bump and like Christian's gonna have to take action then.
He's literally fucking sideways. Want to get some outside footage? So you
They're stopping.
maybe backing up just to run again.
He's like actually like stuck now. They're not moving. Shit, I guess I could get my dad's truck, but I don't know. Shit's kind of new.
Oh, it's getting gripped. Oh
He's
shit.
absolutely raping this ditch. He's gonna, if he, yeah, it's up to Christian now to get out. Yeah, there you
Oh
go.
shit.
Well,
Oh,
apparently
his truck looks
surprising.
kind of fucking crooked.
Did they both just try like going in two different? Oh, Joe fell. I think they both went in 2 different directions at once and pulled on the chain.
Christian, you fucking raped this ditch.
No, dude,
You literally went like
get a video. Get a video of you walking the whole fucking.
You literally went a fucking quarter mile.
I don't want to break it.